DocuSign e-signature reports provide you with valuable insights into your account utilization. You can view a summary of envelope activity, create standard reports, customize reports, and schedule reports to run automatically, while e-signature administrators can see all account-level activity. E-signature users can only see data for the envelopes they send. From the admin page, select Reports in the top menu to have access to your dashboards and reports. All users will see their envelope data displayed in My Dashboard. Your dashboard displays data for the envelopes you sent over the last 90 days. Admins have access to the Administrator Dashboard, where you can view and generate envelope activity reports for all account users, containing near real-time data. Many standard reports are available, which focus on the envelopes you send, the recipients of your envelopes, the overall usage of envelopes on your account, and the document data captured during the signing process of your agreements. To view a standard report, click a report category. Click the name of the report you want to view. Click Run Report to use the default settings, or adjust the date range, date type, filters, and columns displayed before running the report. You can select the date range for the agreements analyzed in the report. You can also select the envelope date type to display data on the reports sent or completed in the chosen date range. You can filter by envelopes with a specific status, recipient name, subject, or envelopes that were sent by a specific user or group of users. You can customize the available columns to select the data displayed in your report. To create your customized report, click Run Report. Once you have customized your report, you can save your report for future use, download the report data in a CSV file, email your report to yourself or others, and set up a schedule to automatically run this report at specific intervals. This option also enables you to automatically email the report data as a CSV file to yourself and others. Click Custom to view your custom reports. Click Downloads to view the most recent, on-demand, and scheduled reports delivered from your account.